Hello children, hope you all are fit and fine at your places. Children, now your half-yearly exams are over and most of the students have done well in their half-yearly examinations. But most of the students are not regular in submission of assignments or homeworks. And children, I'm sure now you know how important the assignment part is. Assignments are equally important as your examination. So, children, kindly be regular in your studies and do your homework within the given time period and submit it in that period so that you can score good. So, class 3rd, today we are going to start chapter 2, the respiratory system. Students, in our earlier videos, we have learned about our body systems, where we have learned that different organ systems help a body to function properly. Also, we have learned there are 8 important organ systems: the skeletal system, the muscular system, the nervous system, the circulatory system, the respiratory system, the digestive system, the reproductive system, and the excretory system. And today we are going to learn about the respiratory system. In respiratory system, we have read that when we breathe in, the air goes inside our body through our lungs. And this air is used to oxidize the food and to release the energy. Now, what I said, when we breathe in. Now, what is breathing? The process during which the air rich in oxygen goes inside our body and the air rich in water and water vapor and carbon dioxide comes out from our body is known as breathing. Now take a deep breath. The process of taking in of air is known as inhalation. This is inhalation, and the process of giving out of air is known as exhalation. So, this is inhalation, taking in of air, and taking out of air is exhalation. And breathing is a process of inhalation and exhalation. Also, breathing is a continuous process which occurs throughout the life of a living organism. Now, what we have learned? Breathing. What is breathing? Breathing is inhalation and exhalation of air. Now, what is inhalation? Inhalation is the process of taking in of air. Exhalation. Exhalation is the process of giving out of air. Now, children, what is respiration? Don't get confused between breathing and respiration. Breathing is a physical process, while respiration takes place inside our body. This is a internal process. What I have taught you, when we take in air, it goes inside our lungs and oxidize the food to release the energy. So this part is known as respiration. So respiration is the process of breaking down of complex food substances with the help of oxygen and releasing energy. So when we take in air, it is rich in oxygen, and this oxygen is used to broken down the food, and this process release the energy which helps us to do various activities. So why do we respire? As all machines require energy to do work, similarly, we also require energy to do various activities. And from where do we get this energy? By the respiration of the food we eat. Now, how the respiration is possible? Because of respiratory system. And what makes a respiratory system? The organs that help in respiration together form a respiratory system. So, the first organ of respiratory system is the nose, through which we take in air. And after this, air enters in the windpipe, which is the second organ of the respiratory system. The windpipe further divides into two bronchs. The air which is taken by the nose or nostrils goes into the windpipe, and after then through these bronchs air enters into the lungs. Now, lungs are the main respiratory system in our body. They are a pair of spongy, elastic, and bag like structures. When we breathe in, the lungs get filled with fresh air. This air is taken by blood to all parts of the body, and the used air is then given back to lungs, which is thrown out of the body. The air we inhale contains lot of oxygen, which is taken by lungs. In our body, the percentage of oxygen decrease because our body takes oxygen for respiration and gives out carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is then given out of the body. So, the lungs are the main respiratory organs in our body. So now we have learned the respiratory system comprises of nose, windpipe and lungs. And lungs are the main respiratory organs in our body. So I hope now the respiratory system is very clear to you. This much for today. Until our next class, be safe and stay at home. Bye-bye.